Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll share with you how to use Hotfix Stone Applicator. A brand new stone applicator pack contains the stone applicator, a stand, and a different sizes of tip. So it depends on the kind of stone you want to fix. That's what will determine the kind of tip you will use. You screw in the correct size for your stones to the stone applicator while it's still cold. Now you plug it in and wait for 2 minutes or more. Then you arrange your stones the way you want it to be. Then when your stone applicator is hot enough, you place the stone applicator on your stones. Don't forget to switch on your stone applicator, because you might forget. The switch is right there. You switch it on and wait for it to heat for like 2 minutes before you place it on your stones. And when you place it on your stone, it will take like 5 seconds or more. And when you are done, you press it. You place your pressing iron on your stones and steam it to make it firm so it doesn't pull off after some time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.